I think that there are a lot of people that think that they want a dog, but I don't think that mentally they're ready for one. So I have a passion project. Again, Luke and I both have a passion project. We really came up with the idea together to find people who are struggling in their life, whether it's God forbid, a loss in the family, PTSD from any situation, maybe even war, even a divorce, whatever it is, obesity, and we come in and we do an intervention. We help them, get their life on track, and then halfway through the episode, we take them to the shelter and we find a dog for them, and we teach them how to train the dog, and it's basically the dog is rescuing the human and the human is rescuing the dog.
That's awesome.
And we set them up for success for ongoing. There are some psychological things some tools that we can use, as well as the proper training for the dog, and I'm very, very excited about it. We're going to do it just the way you see on our Instagram, through humor, a lot of energy. It's not going to be like the rah-rah motivation, because the motivation is beautiful, but the problem is one day it's up and the next day it's down. So we want to figure out a way to make these two, and when I say two, both the human and the dog, have a beautiful relationship with the rest of their lives.